Hello everyone. Today, let me start the chapter of supplementary book with stars. Chapter number 5. Should wizard hit mommy? So, should wizard hit mommy? The title here we are having is totally different from the other title. Wizard is called magician. Here we can say that wizard means magician. One beautiful story here we are having in this chapter. Hit mommy. So hit, as you know the word, to beat, to hurt someone, mommy is mommy. So should wizard hit mommy? So why this question raised in this chapter? So before that we will have to learn the story of this chapter. First of all, let me tell you that the story is written by John Updike. So this is the author who has given us a very beautiful story where we are having characters. Characters I am going to tell you is, the first character is Jack, who was father in the story. Another character is Jo, who was daughter in the story. The next character is Bobby, who was son in the story. And at last, Claire, who was mother in the story. Understood? So these are the four characters that we are having in this chapter. First of all, let me tell you that here we are having the story about the world view of a little child. As you know that the little infant, when you are starting them to telling something, like if story you are telling, let me give you the example. So they are raising difficult questions. Even sometimes you cannot give the answer of their questions. So childs are having different world view from ours. They are thinking differently. They are asking the question that we cannot even give the answer sometimes. So the story of here, the little child named Jo. Jo is a girl who was always listening story from her father. So she always listened story from her father, and the father also had made that the same story always he is going to tell. But at the same time, all the stories was having same character. In that story, the father was using only one character named Roger. But Roger creature would be different. Like into the story, Roger fish would be there, Roger squirrel would be there, Roger chipmunk should be there, Roger monkey should be there, Roger tiger should be there. In short, creature is different. Sometimes he was telling the story about fish, sometimes about the crow, sometimes about the different birds, sometimes about the different animal. But the creature name was always Roger. Understood? So, at the storytelling time, the Jo girl, here we are having the character into the story. Jo always asked the difficult question during the story time. Always. Whenever father was telling that story to the Jo always raises tricky question to his father. Now, that custom, which custom? Like this storytelling session, Jack has started when Jo was about 2 years old. Okay? ये जो स्टोरी टेलिंग का टाइम उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था, वो जब 2 साल की हुई तब उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था. नाउ ऑलमोस्ट दिस कस्टम हैज पास्ड 2 years. जब वो 2 साल की हुई तब स्टार्ट किया और अभी वो 2 साल से स्टोरी सुना रहे हैं. सो जो was becoming 4 years old in this story. Understood? So Jo was a 4 years old little girl who always, especially Saturday evening, the Jack father has started storytelling to Jo, in which the character was like Roger was the creature, means animal, who was having problem. Listen to me carefully. Roger, now story started from this line. Roger was having problem. He cannot solve the problem any of the creature. This is the common story. Here we are not using any animal name. This story always Jack has used in different characters. So Jack has started to tell story to Joe, where Roger was a creature and that creature has having one of the problem, but he cannot solve that problem. So that's why Roger was moving to wizard. Wizard means magician. Where? Sorry, not wizard. Actually, he was first moving to old owl. First of all, Roger was having problem. Roger cannot solve that problem. So he was thinking to moving to an old owl. Okay, and owl has given the solution for it that you will have to go to wizard. Where the Roger was actually moving to the wizard and he had asked about the problem. But as he has seen that the magician, means wizard, played a spell game. Okay, so during that spell game, he solved the problem of Roger. But instead of solution, that wizard demanding too much money that Roger cannot afford. He was demanding number of pennies greater than Roger was having. So at the same time, wizard also informing Roger to play games. Okay, and he also giving specific direction where you can play games and from where you can get money. So Roger has gone according to the information of wizard. कि मुझे विजार्ड ने बोला है यहाँ जाके आप कोई भी गेम खेलो आपको पैसे मिलेंगे. So according to that, Roger has played games and earned money, and he had paid money to the wizard. After that, he moving to his mommy. Who? Roger. Roger was moving to his mom, and mom has always told Roger that the train whistle will bring your father from the Boston. ये ट्रेन की जो विसल की आवाज है उसमें आपके पापा आएंगे घर पे. And after that, Jack informed Joe that described about supper. Here the word you are having, let me find the space, supper, S-U-P-P-E-R, supper. Supper means the dinner, okay, that we are taking at night. So that is called supper. So Jack informed about supper, and in this way story was over. Understood? So the same story, whatever I am telling you right now, the same story Jack always used in different characters. Okay. So as I have told you, Custom began when she was 2. जब 2 साल की हुई तब स्टोरी सुनाना स्टार्ट किया, एंड कस्टम ऑलरेडी पास्ड 2 years. ये स्टोरी सुनाते सुनाते 2 साल बीत गए. दैट मीन्स 4 years old. Same character name story as I have told you, Roger. Okay, telling the story. Joe is a fatigue on Saturday. Fatigue, here I can say that the word fatigue means what? It's a boring thing now. Every time the father has to bring something new in front of Joe. Then only Joe can listen the story. Other than Joe is not getting that sleep very easily. That she cannot sleep, never fell asleep in naps anymore. She always listens the whole story. She always raises difficult question in front of the father, but she never felt asleep during the story time. So that's why father has to find different ways in front of the Joe. So one time father has started to tell one of the story to Joe. But before that, I want to tell you that Joe's brother name is Bobby. Okay, so Jack has specifically 2 child, that Joe and Bobby. Joe is a daughter and Bobby is a son. So here Bobby, who was 2 years old and in the bed, he already slept with his bottle. वो तो सो चुका है. But where is the Joe? She cannot sleep very easily. So that's why she has asked the father to tell story. So the daughter was a different character here we are having, and main character actually we can say that is Joe and Jack. So where Joe, we can say that, cannot fall asleep very easily, and that's why she demanding to father to tell a story. Understood? So at the same time where Bobby already fell asleep, Bobby already सो चुका है, where Joe demanding for the story. So in this way father has started to tell story. Let us see what story the father has told to Joe. Let's start. Now, question asked by Jack means father. Father has asked question to Joe. Which question? Who shall the story be about today? Means the father has asked a question to Joe that whose story you wanted to listen today? Okay, which story you want to listen? Tell me the character. So every time character chosen by the Joe. So now the Joe was thinking like she was a little girl. She was only a 4 years old. So she was thinking, let me tell you the story, which story I want to listen today. So suddenly she gave an answer. Okay, she said skunk. Okay, sorry, she said skunk. Skunk. I can say that this is the different name for us too. Okay, so here in this picture you can see skunk. Skunk is looking like a squirrel. Okay, but he is totally different from the squirrel. So skunk is the animal which bad, literally very smells very bad. The skunk is the animal which smells literally very bad. उसमें से बहुत गंदी smell आती है. The animal skunk. And Joe, the girl, I can say that she has listened this character only into the nursery when she was in school. Okay, so when she was in nursery, she has only listened this name and character. So now the story she was going to listen by her father. So the story character skunk is a fresh hero momentarily stayed Jack to creative enthusiasm. So this is the new character now for Jack and for even Joe also. Joe also literally getting very happy, and she was literally looking very happy to listen the story, and Jack was making this story enthusiastic. इसको और भी ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने के लिए उसने ये कैरेक्टर चूज किया है. Now he has started the story that once upon a time. Story has been started like this. Once upon a time, in a dark woods, one of the animal was there named, if I have told you in the very first, that skunk. So Jack will use this name as Roger Skunk. As I have told you, whatever the creature they are choosing, so they will put the name as Roger. So Roger Skunk was there into the dark wood, into the forest, and he, means this creature, wanted to play with other creatures. Whenever this creature, Skunk, whenever he was out to play with the other creature literally ran away from that place, and Roger Skunk was standing over there alone, and he was crying, और वो रोने लगता है, just because he was stinking very badly. Okay, उसमें से बहुत गंदी सी बू आती है. That's why they, means other creatures, do not want to play with skunk, and just because of that bad smell, skunk was not getting any kind of company from the other creature. He wanted to be with others. He wanted to play with others. But how can he play? Just because of that bad smell, he cannot play with the other creature. As he was standing alone over there, he was crying. And now he thought that, what should I do? At that time, Joe was telling that owl, he can go to owl. So father informed that. Now, the Roger, at that time when the Jack has informed that he was crying. Okay. So at that time Joe also looked like the unhappy face she has made. She was also about to cry. वो भी ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो रोना स्टार्ट कर देगी just because what happened with skunk. Now the expression was like that of Joe. Now the father has tell the story ahead that now that Roger skunk moved to an old owl. अब वो कहाँ पे गए? Old owl के पास, जैसा हर एक स्टोरी में होता ना. So that Roger skunk moved to the old owl. Old owl was there into the woods. So he was moving to the woods where old banyan tree was there and where the owl was sitting over there. Old owl, and the skunk has asked a question to the owl. What can I do? No one wants to play with me just because of my bad smell. So at that time owl says that yes, so you do. आप मेरे तो बहुत बड़ी मीन्स बहुत खराब बू आती है. So what to do? And just because of that no one would play with you. So now that Roger skunk has asked this question to the owl, and owl has informed that you should go to wizard. Okay, but before giving this answer, as the owl has told that as you are bad smelling, so just because of that creatures are not playing with you. At that time the skunk was also eagerly waiting for the solution. At that time Joe was standing. Joe वहां से खड़ी हो जाती है. Wizard, wizard. That means इन्हें किसके पास जाना चाहिए? Wizard के पास. So at that time Jack was telling, please lay down on the bed. Other than I will not tell you the story. Do you want me to tell story? So lay down. वो खड़ी हो जाती है, सो नहीं रही है. And that's why father ने उनको ऐसा बताया कि if you want to listen the story, so you will have to lay down. Again she slept onto the bed and listened the story. So father informed that now the old owl has informed this Roger skunk move towards the wizard. Wizard के पास जाने के लिए कहते हैं. So afterwards the old owl has informed Roger skunk to move towards the wizard, where now I can told you that the Joe, the daughter, is about 4 years old. So many of the questions in between the story, always she was asking to the father. Okay. So as I have told you that wizard was playing that magic spell. Okay. So she has asked a question to father that is that true magic spell? क्या उनके जो magic जो real में हो जाते हैं वो really होते हैं? So this kind of many of the questions. See, I can say that she was cross-questioning to the parents. Whatever telling by the father, she was moving to mother to confirm the answer. Whatever the question giving by or taken by the mother, so she moved to the father to confirm the answer. Cross-questioning as she becoming too much young. That's why. Okay. So this is the part. Now what happened when the skunk moving to the wizard, we will see into the next part. Thank you.